Mr. and Mrs. Harvey at 1318 Ginian Drive in the Heights. Per the ITEL report, this is the closest match. Customer has a full GAF system, 50-year system with Z-Ridge on there, as you can see, the sticker on the ridges. This is actually she has a receipt of when they installed it, and it's actually a GAF elk, which is now discontinued, but per the ITEL report, this should be according to them, this should be able to hold up for a repair for this type of shingle. So we're going to attempt that repair and see if we can just repair what is approved so far. So, GAF barkwood per the ITEL report. And so I'm gonna take this, start trying to do this repair and see if it holds up. So, see how worn these are? They're ripping up. I'm getting a bit older now. But yes, as you can see, I can't just take this one off. I had to remove this one as well to be able to get to the nail lines to take this one off. So let me try to get this one off now. Alright, so as you can see, I took this top layer off. I can get to this nail hole here, but I'm still not able to get all the way up to get that second nail off. So then I'll have to take these two off. So that's gonna be a lot more that we're gonna have to take off just trying to get to this one. And it's just gonna keep going up, so I'm gonna have to keep taking these off to take this one out and just replace it, but we're gonna try that. That shingle, so we can really take this one off. As you can see, there's many more damage as a result of just trying to take this one off. So I had to get under it. Can't just go like this and pop it off. I have to get under it and pop it off there. Stays on there, so. Over here, as you can see there's the nail here, so I have to get under here and take this one off to get. And here you can see the nail holes where the other ones were. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 nail holes on that one. So that's where we'll put this when we put this one in. Same thing. If we overlap them, you can see if they're similar in dimensions. It's like they're a little bit off, but we're gonna go ahead and try to do it anyway and see if it holds up. Because if the seal line doesn't line up with the previous shingles, then it's gonna be no good. It's not gonna be secure once we put it on. But we can go ahead and attempt the repair and see if it holds up. Okay, go. Okay, so we're actually going to start the actual repair now, but just briefly, just want to go over if this is all the amount of shingles that I had to take off in order to get to take this one off that I'm going to repair, and that's just one shingle. And so if I attempt another repair here at number 2, I'm going to have to take this one off. It's a total of 8 shingles around it that's going to have to be taken off in order to get to this one. And these shingles are pretty brittle now too, so they're kind of they're being damaged just by trying to repair them. So I don't think they'll hold up a full repair with the amount of shingles that are being used right now. And as you can see, it just keeps going. So if I'm gonna attempt to repair these, and then if these get damaged, I'm gonna have to repair that one, and it's just gonna keep going. So and it's gonna overlap into the ridge and onto the other side. So we're just trying to keep the repair going, but not recommended, but we'll see what we can do here. So I'm gonna stick this one back in. This is the let me get the replacement shingle. Try to get that back in.